have many identities. Our identity is the main issue. What we think who we are is so much to do with who we are not, so much to do with our conditions, so much to do with our weakness, and so much to do with our pride, but it has nothing to do with who truly we are. So this is the important question. Who am I? In Dzogchen tradition, this is the most important question. That's the question number one. Who am I? Because I is lost and we are searching for ourselves. And that is a single journey of every spiritual path. And every moment when we feel experiences of being challenged, being threatened, being lost, being sad, and these moments, a simple sign is that you are just lost the connection. In our true nature, everything is spontaneously perfected. Who we are, our true nature, is the great perfection. That means everything that we seek in our life to be better, to have connect with our higher self, our deeper innate true qualities like love, joy, compassion, all these spiritual qualities are perfected in our true nature. The moment we recognize ourselves, our inner qualities are naturally surfacing out and naturally manifesting out. We can feel some sense of more openness. We can feel some sense of more warmth. We will feel some sense of more kindness. We will feel like some sense of willing and wanting to give and share. And we will naturally feel this quality simply because in some sense we have a connection to who we are. So that is very much the deepest wisdom is to self-realize. And I truly hope that this will help you all in your deep transformation.